Oh, what a lovely day. So this is Thursday, the 2nd of April. Bit of a special one today. We're off down to Exeter, having a bit of a meet-up. First though, I am meeting up with Nick and Steve up in Dorchester, and of course we're going to have some breakfast. Then we're heading down to Exeter where we're meeting Joe. We are meeting Dave, Rev Bomb. We're meeting Stu, Slow Rider, and we're having a bit of a tour of the Lex Moto factory down there, warehouse, whatever you want to call it. And they've also got 6 of their new models that we can go out and have a bit of a test ride on. So yeah, we're going to be blatting around on 125s this afternoon. It's a bit of a PR thing for them with the YouTubers come to the factory, and we can do a bit of filming on the bike. Well, I say that, they can. I've not actually got a mount that I can put onto their bike, which is a bit of a pisser. We shall see, maybe one of the others has got one I can clamp on somehow. So we're staying overnight in the Premier Inn down there, so is Dave, so is Stu, and tomorrow we're having a ride round Devon, Exmoor, North Devon, Linton, dropping back down to Barnstable, coming across the moor again, then we're dropping down, we're going to come across Dartmoor and then land up back at Exeter. Dave and Stu are staying another night. Joe is heading off up to Newcastle from Exeter, so he's going to have a bit of a motorway stint ahead of him from there. Hopefully everybody will be fine, and hopefully no more bloody punctures. I'm not sure, you may have seen that video by now, you may not. We went out the other day, but all didn't go to plan. Oh look, stuck a bit of chewing gum in a pothole. I tell you, the way they repair these potholes is absolute shite. Oh, also, one of my subscribers will be joining us, hopefully, tomorrow, somewhere on the route. Simon Brackett. I don't think Simon's got a YouTube channel as such, but he's emailed and said he'd like to join us somewhere on the ride, so look forward to meeting you, Simon. All being well, you'll be able to make it. So we're just coming into Dorchester now. I'm going to go and stuff my face, as usual, and we will catch up with you in a few when I'll be with the others. See you soon.
Yeah. Yeah, baby. Yeah.
You know it's going to happen again, don't you? He's going to jump on the bike when he's finally ready, when we've been sat here 15 minutes.
There we go.
Right, yeah, not hang around for you fuckers.
Right, that is recording. And that's recording.
I'm going straight into sport mode, I think.
I think that's a wise idea.
So at the monkeys jump.
I keep forgetting it's Thursday.
Yeah.
Actually, we'll go down the main road to Winterbourne Abbas.
He's changed his mind already, hasn't he?
Yeah. just remember, we have no route set up. So try not to do too much red light jumping.
I need to get a disc lock and a front brake lock for the handlebar, because this chain I've got in my top box.
Oh fuck it! Yeah, I forgot security. Never mind.
That's all right.
I've got my disc lock. I haven't got my chain.
So if we put yours or mine on the outside of your two and chain mine to one of yours, but blocking in the other one.
Yeah.
Although a GS is nicked a lot more often than a Honda.
Yeah.
Only because they know the GS will start.
And the pan's too fucking heavy.
No, I looked at my disc lock and I had to find the Allen key set to put the... There's a little cover on it because it's one of those that's alarmed.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
And the Allen key bolt had come out.
Oh right.
And I couldn't find my Allen key set, put it back in. I thought I'll do that later. And then forgot.
Right, it's 3 minutes to 10.
Yeah. No, it's not. It's 10 o'clock.
What you got, Steve? 958 and a half?
950. I just changed to 957.
What?
3 minutes 2.
Yeah, I've got 2 minutes 2 now.
Yeah, well, you wankers are on Dorset time, aren't you?
Well, my phone's saying 10 o'clock anyway, that my phone's right.
Yeah.
I can't even see my phone because it's on the Stegra screen.
Does it not come up on your car play in the bottom left?
Oh yeah, 10 o'clock. So the bike's 2 minutes out. Oh yeah? Well, how much fucking road do you want then?
Yeah, like Joseph and his Technicolor fucking roundabout. Any lane will do.
Any lane will do. And I bet he sticks to the words of the song as well. I close my eyes, pulled back my foreskin. Ah. They're off already. There's another fucking band by YouTube.
And it's a faff stop.
Yeah, we have travelled less than a mile. Remote key's not in range.
Of course.
Can we go after this yellow van?
Yeah, go.
Oh, I'm going to Barbados.
Fucking hell, not. I'm following you.
No, them on that plane up
Yeah, I
there.
can see, yeah.
See, if you had a fucking car that smoked that much, you'd be worried, wouldn't you?
Yeah. You see, Nigel's displaying excellent road sense here for the IAM instructors. Look at that aeroplane up there.
Well, they said do keep an eye on your surroundings.
Yeah. Look for hazards.
The option there is it could fall out the sky at you.
Exactly.
Yeah, fuck me. Somebody gonna get a fucking hit round the head with a fire extinguisher. We start talking options.
I had too many options this morning. I nearly forgot to pack my coffee.
Fucking hell. I have to admit, these are fucking useless.
Are they?
For what you can get in them, they're crap.
But my RTs, oh, they were brilliant, they were.
Oh, they were like fucking Bonnie Blue's fucking minge.
What, bottomless?
Yeah, they were a bottomless pit. And the top box is huge as well. Yeah, I mean, these aren't expanded, but even expanded, they're still fucking crap.
Yeah, I expect you got room for a pair of rolled up underpants in there.
I'm scanning the hedgerows for pink soiled gunties.
Well, there's an option for you.
Yeah.
He's turning right. Go on then, fuck off.
Patience and a
Is he-
safety.
We don't want none of that average speed camera bollocks.
No.
Clear, clear.
Bloody coughs back
Clear,
with
clear.
back with a vengeance.
The remote key is still not in range.
Oh,
Is it
okay.
not? It's probably in Weymouth.
Yeah, probably left it at home. I was just about to get on my normal line and then thought, boxes!
Yeah. Mind you, they don't stick out as far as your fun bags.
I think matey in this Merc is from the Luftwaffe.
You see?
They do the old 4x4 training here.
Oh, do they?
Yeah. And occasionally they'll have a motocross track. Oh, roadkill.
Well, I mean, I don't mind waiting and filming while you check the GS up over it.
You watch how bouncy it is now over the bumps. It just cushions everything.
Does it?
I've wound it up a notch. Good thing is I can reach it while I'm riding.
Mine that shit.
Pardon?
I can reach me knob while I'm riding. If I want to stiffen
Give
it
it
up
a
a little
fumble.
bit.
Yeah. Wonder why you were so quiet back there.
There you go, look, you'll see her cushioning the bumps along here, look.
Yeah, look at that.
That was probably a silly move coming this way. I bet when we get down the hill, I bet it's fucking running water. Now look at the views.
Very nice.
Absolutely stupendous. 360, point that way. Yeah, these sheep are fucking fat. They weren't there up the duck.
Probably. Oh, look at the little
little
lambs.
They should have just dropped.
Look at the little lambs.
I know, roast potatoes, bit of mint sauce.
Oh, poor little buggers, look at them.
Beautiful. Yeah, but then look at the grass, and that just doesn't look as appetising, does it?
Well, no, but...
For all they veggie people.
No, but they work wonders with the grass to make it taste so nice, don't they?
Whose camera went ding ding
Yes,
then?
it's Steve's. I bet you it's Steve's.
I'll just turn stop recording, that's all.
But that sounded like your camera going off.
Lovely view, isn't it?
My camera's on.
Yeah, he might be on. Is he recording?
Absolutely stunning. Yeah, I'm recording again.
All
Yeah,
we need now is
I stopped recording just back there for a second.
Time for Todge's top tip of the day. Now, if you're in a conversation with someone on your comms and you're discussing them stopping their camera recording, don't use the exact words "stopped recording," especially when you've got voice commands enabled on your own camera. If you do, this happens.
stopped recording.